What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today, as you can see, we got some accessories on the table. We have some devices on the table. We got some everyday carry on the table. Now, today is an informal video. I'm just trying some things different. Your boy BG is actually shooting with a camera instead of his iPhone. You can see the iPhone is on the desk. That means it's not behind the scenes. I'm using my Canon R10 top down, and I just want to talk about some carbon fiber accessories that I utilize and I like. So this video is my favorite carbon fiber EDC, and when I say carbon fiber, that includes Kevlar, Aramid fiber, and carbon fiber. Okay, guys, so like on a typical day, I'll carry two devices. Of course, one will always be I'll have an iPhone, then I'll have an Android device. And a lot of times, what you'll catch me with right now is my iPhone 14 Pro and that deep purple. I love this colorway. I'm a Ravens fan. I love purple, so I stay with that on me. And it's hard for me to get rid of this purple device because I want them to, hopefully the 16 Pro come in purple. This year, I will be upgrading and doing some iPhone stuff. Also, we got the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Y'all guys know I'm a little bit of a Samsung fanboy, more so a fanboy of the Note, and I just consider this the new age, the 2024 Note. So all these products have carbon fiber in common. So I'm just going to go through. These are some of my favorite utilized everyday products that are made from like carbon fiber or Kevlar. So we just going to go through them. So first and foremost, guys, what we got protecting the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is my Aramid fiber case from Pataka. This is the Mag Easy Case 4. Just love this case. It's caseless, as you can see. The sides still reveal the titanium frame on this device. A lot of people don't like that, but I like that feeling. But with this case, I will make sure that I rock a screen protector because I know it's minimal and it's not really bolstered up like that. But this is an acquired taste that I really like. I love how they cleaned up the camera section, guys. That Pataka brand, that all of this looks very fire. And on the back of the case, no, this accessory doesn't come with it, but this is the Pataka ring holder. Now, I love the Pataka ring holders, guys. It's like a fidget spinner to me. I play with it. I actually use it sometimes and, rest my finger under this ring holder just to hold the device. This is a behemoth of a device. And as you can see, even the ring holder got that black and gray carbon or aramid fiber twill to it. This is a great combination of a minimal case and ring holder. I love Pataka stuff. I love the texture on the Pataka aramid fiber cases. You can really feel the weaving and things of that nature. And I just like it minimal. Now, Pataka does a lot right, guys, because also it's going to be a couple of Pataka things in this video, but this is actually my iPhone 14 Pro, and I've been having this Pataka case for like over a year. At first, now, if you got an iPhone 15 Pro, you can get this Pataka case. It's called the Sunset, as you can see on the ring holder. But at the same time, guys, when I bought this on the 14 Pro, this was actually a limited edition Route 66 Sunset Collection. You would know if you've been around and watching tech and accessories for a minute. And I also had the Route 66 ring holder. I couldn't find it, but I love this combination of this case so much with this deep purple. When I lost the ring holder, I had to buy a new one. But now they just call the ring holder Sunset. But if you got an iPhone 15 Pro, they make the same case for the iPhone 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max. But it's just called Sunset. It's not a limited edition. But I mean, it's just a fire design, fire colorway, fire weaving. Everything is fire, down to the matching ring holder. As you can see, it matches the whole swag. Love this case and just love this device. As you can see, even on the side here, the purple aluminum on the 14 Pro is exposed. Just love this minimal case, guys. Now, this is just something a little different that I've been rocking. This is actually from Monocarbon. You can see the Monocarbon branding at the bottom. And actually, this is just kind of like a wallet. No, it's not MagSafe. I don't need a MagSafe wallet because I don't attach my wallet to the back of my phone. That's not my thing. Y'all see, I like the ring holders, but it's kind of like a combination of a money clip and just a place to throw some cards, and also you could throw your ID out front. But I've been first, it was purple accessories. I wanted to do purple accessories. If y'all been watching me for a while, y'all remember the purple tape. I was bringing all the purple accessories and things of that nature. But I'm on a carbon fiber tip. So as you can see, the actual money clip where you could put some money, like, a couple dollars and things of that nature, has a carbon fiber type design on it. And this wallet type deal has a carbon fiber design on it, and it's got a nice authentic texture to it. I just really like this thing. I just was on my carbon fiber accessories, so I picked this up. We got to be matching, guys. But I think this is really dope, and this is cheap, like $12, $13 on Amazon. Everything, even if I don't say the correct name, everything will be linked down in the description. Now, this is an accessory that you just can't get alone anymore. You used to could buy this just by itself on Amazon and the Pataka website, but I don't see it anymore. This is the Pataka Power Bank, and this goes with the 3-in-1 Mag Easy Slider. I love putting this power bank in my bag and just utilizing it when I want to top off a device just a little bit. It's not giving you a full-on charge, but it's lightweight, it's small, compact, and it's very aesthetic. Just going with the carbon fiber. I like the black gloss around the sides, and then this black and twill carbon fiber just looks really good. Just match my whole aesthetic for the everyday carry. Like I said, and also you could just smack this on the back of your device and plug a Type C in and charge both at the same time. Really cool little device here, man. I really like this little power bank. It's not the most powerful, but aesthetics is a 10, and it definitely come in handy every now and again. Now, as you can see, we got the AirPods on deck, guys. Definitely got to have them on deck when you rocking the iPhone, and they good for all around just talking, noise cancellation, and things of that nature. Just multi-use, all different types of use. Not the best at anything, but pretty good at everything. As you can see, carbon fiber look right here. Got the Pataka brand, and this is the carbon fiber case. These are my AirPod Pro 2nd gen. They make the sound that can charge through MagSafe, things of that nature, but these are still the Lightning ones. Of course, I'm using Lightning on my 14 Pro and my older iPods, but they still make this case, and I'll put a link down in the description. They still make this case for all the AirPods, guys. And I mean, look at this Pataka branding with this carbon fiber, just a clean look. I've been rocking these for a long time, throwing them around. This case gets beat up, but it still looks great, guys. Like I said, when it comes to Pataka and carbon fiber, or Aramid fiber, should I say, I just like the texture. They have a really good texture, really good weaving, because Pataka accessories always just give me this super authentic feel. We got something from UAG. UAG is a good company. I like a lot of their products. Also, they make some of my EDC videos for sure. But what we got here is a puck. Now, you would think that this is just a MagSafe charging puck, which it is. You can actually magnetically charge with this puck. All you gotta do is plug a Type-C cable into this port right here, but it's also a kickstand. So if I'm utilizing my device watching content and I need a kickstand, I can use this as a kickstand, but at the same time, this thing will be charging my device if I plug it up. And it's got a very cool design, a very nice carbon fiber aesthetic. The carbon fiber is smooth, there's no real texture, but I mean, this is just a nice tech accessory right here with a nice carbon fiber aesthetic to charge your device at the same time while using it as a kickstand. I feel like this is a nice idea, whether you got an Android phone with a MagSafe case or you're using an iPhone. Also, when you buy this case, it comes with a nice nylon braided cable, very strong, very durable. I'm actually using it as I'm making this video, but that's definitely a plus. A nice strong UAG cable. As you can see, very strong neck braided cable, looks good and matches the puck. Now, last but not least is my unboxing knife, and this unboxing knife is pretty dope. I got it off Amazon. As you can see, it's CJRB, a company called CJRB. I'll put a link down in the description. But it's just a carbon fiber knife, big and bolstered up. I utilize it a lot for opening boxes, and you have to be very careful with it. I'm not a knife expert, but it has a very quality build. You know how some knives fall apart and some of the pieces or some of the mechanisms, the way they work, start to get janky, and that gets dangerous with a knife. I'm not with all that. So I spent about $40 or $50 on this knife. And what I really liked about it was the blade. It's almost got like a, I'm like I said, no knife professional, but like the blade of a butcher. This is a serious get stuff done blade on this knife, and it's weighted also. So anything that you need to unbox, those boxes is going to heaven for sure. But one thing that I really loved about this knife is somebody I look up to on YouTube, or OG, one of the reasons I started my YouTube. One day I bought this knife not knowing that my man Flossie Carter, I'm sure anybody that's here already know who Flossie Carter is, was using this knife. And I'm like, wow, great minds think alike. I'm using the same, one of the same unboxing knives that Floss used, because y'all know he used mad unboxing knives. But one day I seen him actually using this unboxing knife, and I thought that was dope. But yeah, again, shout out to my man Floss. But shout out to y'all for watching this video. Like I said, these are some of the carbon fiber products that I use every day. My Carbon Fiber EDC. Links will be down in the description. It's your boy BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.